friends, today I am going to show you how to make Oreo cake. It's a healthy Oreo cakes. So needed ingredients are maida, then wheat flour, cocoa powder, some Oreo biscuits, milk, powdered sugar and oil, baking soda and baking powder and some lemon. So first we are going to take our Oreo packets and we will, it's total 300 grams, means only there are 5 Oreo cookies. Total 15 biscuits I have taken. 3 packets and these are small packets. So now take a knife, take out the cream with the knife. It's a very easy step. While putting this, crush these biscuits. You can crush it in the our plastic bag, like this, only by putting the cookies, these biscuits in the piping bag or any bag and crush them with a hard spoon. So I have put all the cookies in the grinder. Now grind it. So I have grind this. Make a fine paste of the cookies. Now we will sieve these cookies. Like this, fine powder we have to make. So now sieve this. Like this, crush all the stones which of the cookies are there. Crush them with the hand. They will not crush with the spoon. So I have sieved all the Oreo cookies. So now I am going to put the wheat flour, means only गेहूं का आटा. Then cocoa powder. With this spoon, we will need too much. If you need too much of cocoa powder, you can use, but Oreo biscuits have already the chocolate color, so we will not need too much of cocoa powder. So I have put 2 to half tablespoon of cocoa powder. So now some baking soda. This much pinch of baking soda we have to put. Don't put too much of baking soda. It will get too much salty. This much of soda. Now this is a maida. have told you that it is a healthy cake, but because of maida, it gets baked properly. So I have taken this much of only maida. Now baking powder, this much, 1 tablespoon total of baking powder, and this much, half one. Now I will put the powdered sugar. Two tablespoons of powdered sugar. So now sieve this all. I have put only dry ingredients, don't put wet ingredients. First put dry ingredients, it's too much come. So I have sieved all the dry ingredients. So now let's take our oil. Before putting the oil, we will mix this. See how dark color because of Oreo cookies it have come. So put only little of cocoa powder. So I have mixed it well. So now I will take a oil. One tablespoon of oil and 1 more tablespoon of oil. And now put some vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can use vanilla extract also. Few drops of vanilla essence. Now mix these ingredients. So I mix this well, and now I will put the milk. I have taken half cup of milk. We will put this whole milk and mix this. We will need more milk because we have more ingredients. So I have taken some more half milk. Putting slowly, I will mix this. Now putting more milk. Mix this all well. So I have put more half cup of milk, means total 1.5 cup of milk. So we have to make like this batter. Like this thick batter we have to make. We have to not make so much thin batter. So now I will put some lemon juice. The lemon juice make the cake means bake properly and spongy. One tablespoon of lemon juice and mix it with this batter. It will give a spongy look, and in the taste also it will be yummy, and it get baked properly also and spongy. So our batter is ready. I have taken here pressure cooker. So I have preheated this pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes. So now I have taken here our batter, and here's our cake cake container. So I have spread some oil and some maida, only all-purpose flour on it. You can use butter paper also. So compulsory use the spatula while putting the batter in the container. Because of spatula, all the batter So I put all the batter in this container. So now tap this. There should be no air bubbles in this. Thumb. So see, there is no air bubble in this. So now let's keep this container in the pressure cooker. So I pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes. Before preheating, I have kept some salt down and upside the stand. So now let's keep the container upside this. So I have kept the container in the pressure cooker. I will lid this pressure cooker, and I have take out the whistle and wire, means only ring I have take out it. Don't use the ring and whistle. So let's lid the cooker. So now I will cook this for 30 to 35 minutes and keep the flame medium. So let's wait for 30 to 35 minutes. So friends, here's our Oreo healthy cake is completely ready. See how nicely it have baked, and it is so spongy also, like outside cakes. Now if you have to check it, use a toothpick and put it in the cake and take out. So it is completely cooked. If the cake sticks on the toothpick, means it is not cooked. So I have cooked it for 30 to 35 minutes only. We will let it cool down now for 10 to 20 minutes. So I will take a cloth and cover this for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. See now that our Oreo cake is cooled down or not. It is completely cooled down. So let's take it in a plate. Before that, we will cut it from the sides. See sides maida. See how easily it is removed. See how nice spongy it have been. If you want to cut the upper layer, you can cut, take out the sides maida. It is stick to the cake, so take out it. See how nice it is, spongy cake. So now I will just decorate with some this is Oreo cream which I have taken. Just I will make small balls out of it and keep it like this. If you don't want to do this, you can cut this in between and put a cream mixture also, means a normal fresh cream. You can put if you want, but I don't have cream in lockdown, so I am just using this decoration. So I have cut this. So I will show this by cutting this cake, and I have decorated this cake. So now I will see how spongy it is. Looking so yummy. See how spongy it is. So fluffy also. So if you like this recipe of Oreo cake, it's a healthy cake. Really, you will not believe this is a healthy cake. Try it at your home and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want some recipes, so give me in the comments. Thank you.